this is Terry Stearns, Independent Sensei Consultant, and I'm coming to you with an idea. This thought came to me from watching a YouTube video of it. I don't remember whose video it was. They had a card similar in theirs, and I just liked the idea, so I rolled with it. So I created these little scent cards, and on them it says, scent card sample. I know this is not the same thing as you would get to smell the wax testers, but it will give you an idea. Want to smell all the scents? Let's get a party scheduled. And it gives them 27 scents that they can smell, potentially 30 as the scents of the months go by, and I will add them to there. And then it just gives them an idea, and I can include these fairly inexpensive. They're really light, you know, it's just a 1/2 sheet of a cardstock. So I can include it in the packet with the catalog or fundraisers, things like that. So maybe it would encourage people to increase their orders. Or if somebody likes to order online a lot, then it maybe gives them just a little bit of a sample to have at the house so they can order whatever scents they want. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below, or you can always private message me. Thank you.